The Hands-Free Access Power Tailgate on your Acura RDX lets you open and close the tailgate with just a quick kick of your foot, letting you load and unload items with ease. First, ensure that hands-free access is enabled. Select Home, then Settings, then Vehicle, then Power Tailgate Setup, then Hands-Free Access Power Tailgate. Ensure that it is set to On. Now you can use the feature. To use it, you must have your key fob on you, and the vehicle must be in park and turned off. The sensor area for the Hands-Free Access Power Tailgate is underneath the bumper center. Approach the rear of the vehicle and kick in a straight line forward and back directly under the rear bumper. Your foot should be under and close to the bumper. The kick should take about 1 second. The exterior lights will flash momentarily, and an alert will sound as the tailgate opens. To close the tailgate, use the same kicking action. Remember to kick in a straight line under the rear of the bumper with your foot close to the bumper. Holding your foot under the bumper or waving your foot around will not open the tailgate. And if the vehicle has become wet due to rain or snow, the sensor may not be able to detect your foot motion. For more info on all the helpful features on every Acura, walk away and go to the Acura Info Center at acurainfocenter.com.